Freestyle. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, tell you the truth, it's 10:25. Of course, I've been to the gym already, dropped the kids to school, been home, even had a chance to see Maggie. Maggie came over and we just spent about 45 minutes together, had a coffee together, all that good stuff. And now I need to get cracking with the day. We have a couple meetings today. I have to get stuff for Heritage Day tomorrow because the boys have activities at school for the rest of the week. And we just have a lot going on right now. So, dirty fly. Are you guys having flies? I'm having a fly problem still. I don't know. I need to investigate it. We should be changing out our linen cupboard doors and shelves today. I hope that happens today. And so that will be the final piece of that area, which we've been wanting to do for a long time. So yeah, hopefully that gets done today. I'm gonna go see, I haven't even seen Wayne today. So I'm gonna go check on him now and we go from there.
Right, so I work on the final piece of the puzzle. Linen closet. Like a sort out now. I think I got match back.
Maybe the closet.
Look. May I tape it up because I know when you walk go in the one day, I make sure say you're there when it's a fix. So you know walk, go in there, go lick up boop. Yeah, so today is our work day. I forgot go up on the road and get some stuff for them. What them say them need, Tami? What them say them need for up there, sir?
Need? Oh, I see what you're saying now. I need a knob, a lock for the door, but I think I have one. In black? So, yeah. So I need to check and see.
But what about the new handles that we need?
I have those. I asked them if they could change it because the kids can't open the doors.
Yeah.
Which is a good and a bad thing.
Ivy,
I'm gonna
not
say
the
kids,
kids.
Ivy, yes. But also where the turn is, I don't know. It seems problematic on doors. Yeah, I don't know.
Well, you know, it's kind of bittersweet when we're removing these things that have been here with me from inception. Meaning, I've been in this house for 20 years now, people. About 20 years, so calculate good and do the math. That's not a normal thing. But we're upgrading. It's not downgrade, we are downgrade. The place I look better, feel better, it's better usage, more functional and everything. So it's just like you change out your old clothes for your new clothes. Yeah, your old jeans fit you good, but them kind of tear up now. So time to get some new jeans. You know what I'm saying? So I'm sure the house is happy as well that it's getting upgraded.
True.
So we're going on the road now. A couple things to get done. So let the games begin.
Yeah, I have a list.
Supermarket included,
How you know?
as usual.
So the first thing we're going to do is go and try and find the shirts for the boys. And then we will try and get the pulls for the door at the same time. Then I have to go copycat. And the children listening to praise and worship on the way to school. And also have to go to Ship Me and copycat.
Okay.
All before 2:30. We can do it.
Yeah, man.
Should we do Ship Me first? Should we do the furthest thing first?
Yeah.
Okay. It's Heritage Day tomorrow at school, and they have Heritage Market coming up. But here it is now. Jackson is going to be representing Ghana. His class is Ghana. Ozzy's class is France, and Atlas's class is Spain. So now I have to find shirts that match those vibes. Help us. They were playing good music in there a while ago. I was just saying to Wayne how we're getting, it feels like we're accomplishing so much. I think it's because of my list. So let's sign off. Ooh, you want to check if the guys are almost done? Because we need to know if we should go home now or if I should just head to Loshusan and then to Copycat.
Speaking of good music, right? We started. Speaking of good music.
Okay.
See my friend here?
I love when we bump into people on the road.
Yeah. So I was saying, speaking of good music.
Oh, yes.
The big show, Boys to Men,
I don't want to talk about it.
is coming up. And you know, our girl Tessa is going to be singing.
And our girl Lila IK too.
And Lila Ike is on it. I would have wanted to say Boys to Men is one of the biggest. If you talk about group, them have the most hits in Jamaica. I think pound for pound.
Well, I think it's crazy that it also transcend generations. Because Atlas sings
No,
Boys to Men
singing,
like it's nothing.
No,
Last night I heard them
singing.
singing this dum 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 da da dum dum dum.
Yeah,
da,
no, that's
da.
hot because it
Because
coming
of
at
trolls.
shows. Yeah,
so I
yeah,
had
yeah.
to pull up Motown Philly and be like, this is the
original.
song.
Really?
And they were like, huh?
Yes.
And Atlas was like,
No.
what do you mean? I was like, all those songs you hear in Trolls are other people's songs. And that's a Boys to Men song. So it was
When is the show? When is it?
I think it's the 26th of
26th
October.
of
Yeah.
October, okay.
People, I'm glad you brought this up. Please stop calling me about tickets. Me not a ticket. Me I tell you straight. Me is not a ticket outlet. Me don't have the ticket.
People like a hot show.
People call me,
It's a hot
message
show.
me,
True Tessie up on the
write
show.
me.
Duh. Them are gonna call you.
Me not a ticket.
Call Tessie.
Don't call this neither. Alright, Wayne, you're supposed to call home. So,
Me tell me to call Momo. I'm gonna get her.
we could try again. Alright, me call her like how you drive.
Next to lock on in and the catch him. Put them on already.
Oh, you're the best. The catch nice though?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I forgot to tell people about it.
Yeah, man. Nice, man.
Great. Look at this Wayne. This cat, you know how we couldn't thing there at the door?
Yeah.
Well, no, I have this magnetic thing.
Okay.
Yeah, look.
See there?
Yeah.
And so when you want to lock it, you just pull it. And then these have it too.
Yeah, good man. Lock them.
Oh, great.
That
Perfect.
is stay and catch first.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, I'll be going it on much better with that. Oh, this is looking good. I'm liking it a lot. Couldn't get the black handles for it though, man. I think you'll be fine though.
Yeah.
Okay? Don't have to be fine. It is being a little bit clingy.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to, you know,
Can't know when she's sick, you know.
100%.
She's doing a lot
100%.
better now, though.
Yeah, she's not her full self.
Baby Beanie.
But what
Baby
she's not
Baby.
doing. Oh my god, I thought that was something.
Sure. Sure. It's crazy. One thing with rain though, it not far from one man out stop. So everybody have to deal with it, isn't it? That's how it is.
Dad, you know how I ate in my other thing when I was like at school, the thing that was like shaped like a phone, rectangle.
What's that?
I crunched it up in the inside and it looked like that medicine that medicine thingy. The one that looks like salt.
Oh, right, the melts.
Yeah.
Okay.
What was it? What looked like that?
The rectangle things.
Okay, cool. When Ozzy's singing him, goes
Yeah, talk about that. We have some footage of us running in on Gio. Gio was making music, and Ozzy and Atlas and me and the whole of we just start freestyle and go on a bag of thing. Putting the footage to make the people them see what I'm going. These guys are a whole mess. Make it nice.
Hey, you're the only girl that time you came in my life, and I was so happy. I'm so happy that you're here with me. Oh,
Coffee.
I love you so much enough.
Grab the key and then me. Dad. I can't.
You're the only girl that I need. You came in my life and my life was good. Good.
What? Man.
I can be the good. I could never hurt of you. He's a child, so he walked by his cave, and then he saw the little child running, so he went after him, and then a tiger showed up, and then he's like, ah! He's like, the sun went down, and then all birds came down for a second because he had birds all over him. So he had to sleep with birds. He suddenly found something. So he found these big shoes. So he picked them up and showed them to his mother. Then he looked good. And then he went up to his room to go sleep, and so he went. He got mad.
Mad, yo, I love your storytelling, bro. That's crazy. Yo, you cooked on the beat, bro.
Oh, I was going to tell us right now.
That's what's up.
The sun went down. No one survived that night. But I have a good story to tell you. You see, when my father was here, he came across a bear and his child rat. He couldn't find him for a week. He found him, but he was running down and there, side to side, up and down, off track. He came to the forest because they were running camping, but the sun went out too fast, so he got lost down in the woods. So that's why they made the song, shine the light. So the child may follow. Many have been lost along the way.
Oh, I see what you did there. That's what's up. Yo, man.
Why are you so evil? You caused me so much trouble. I put you in the trash. Goodbye shoes. I wish I never met you. Can you stop there?
Yeah.
Trouble.
Down.
Put you in the trash.
Daddy, show MTM how Ivy can climb up the ladders by herself. Show MTM how Ivy can just climb the ladders.
Walk.
Like she's a big...
Wow.
She's
What
been
the-
doing this, you know.
I know.
She's been doing this for like 5 months straight. And she's been pushing people down the slide. Like she's the boss of the... Yeah.
Woo.
Dad, I can even
Nice,
Spider-Man.
Daddy,
I'm
show
Spider-Man.
MTM how high I can swing.
Bro,
Dad, look at
don't overdo
Spider-Man.
Oh my god, the whole thing is shaking.
Don't overdo it, bro.
Daddy.
Take time.
Daddy, I'm Spider-Man. Daddy, look, I'm Spider-Man.
Ivy, do you want to go hunting? Pretend hunting? I'm gonna go get our pretend shotgun.
She's so happy. Look at her. So happy, my girl.
I'm gonna go get...
Careful. Oh, the dog gonna play too.
Hi, Dada.
That's it.
Whoa.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie girl. What you eating? Ivy? What you eating? Plum? Nice?
It's fine. I'll make it work. Yeah, I can add sauce to it, yeah. Perfect.
What's going on in the Mitchell kitchen?
I'm making a version of the lasagna with just the shells because the kids really like it.
Watch out, Fernanda.
Nana dear. And I know you will really like it too. Tell them how Nana drop again? Oh. Okay.
Nana, when you going back to England?
Tomorrow.
We want to send it back in one piece. We don't want to send it into pieces, you know, Nana.
I feel like I'm going back in pieces, watch out.
Oh
What
my
I know?
God.
No one of the bros that
No,
we get
drop?
when
No,
this
sir.
keel over.
No, sir.
Yes.
People, Nana
People.
drop one time and mash apart something this humpy dumpy.
Oh, I tell you people, what is happening with Nana here?
Come Nana man.
Yes, my MTM family, I shall miss you very much, but I'll send my little vlogs.
Yes,
And,
we love you little
you know,
updates.
And I'll be back. I'll be back soon. And thank you for loving me as usual and loving my family.
Wonderful.
See you when I see you.
Alright, nice.
Bye.